Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to help you master English today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're exploring one small word that causes big confusion, been. This word appears everywhere in English, but many learners don't fully understand it.
Been is the past participle of be, and it has multiple uses that are essential for fluent English. Using it correctly makes you sound natural and native-like.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly when to use been, how it works in different structures, and what it actually means in various contexts.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We break down confusing English topics and make them clear with practical examples.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding words like been is crucial for natural English.
All right, let's dive in. First, what exactly is been?
Been is the past participle form of the verb be. The verb be has three main forms: be, base, was/were, past, and been, past participle.
Just like other past participles, gone, eaten, seen, been is used in perfect tenses and passive constructions.
Think of been as describing a state or experience that happened before now and has some connection to the present.
That's the foundation. Now let's explore all the different ways we use been.
Let's start with the most common use, present perfect with have/has been.
Use number 1, present perfect, to show an experience or state from the past connected to now.
I have been to Paris. This means at some point in my life, I went to Paris and came back. The experience exists now in my memory.
She has been sick. She was sick recently and might still be sick, or the effects are still relevant now.
They have been friends for years. The friendship started in the past and continues to the present moment.
Has been connects past experiences or states to the present. It's about the result or relevance now.
Use number 2, present perfect continuous with have/has been plus ing.
I have been studying for 3 hours. The studying started in the past and is still continuing now, or just finished with present results.
She has been working here since 2015. The work started in 2015 and continues until now. Ongoing action.
They have been waiting for ages. The waiting started in the past, continues now, and the speaker is emphasizing the duration.
It has been raining all day. The rain started earlier and continues now or just stopped with visible effects.
Has been plus ing emphasizes the continuation or duration of an action from past to present.
Use number 3, past perfect with had been.
I had been there before. Before a specific past moment, I had visited that place. Past before past.
She had been sick when I called. Before the calling moment, past, she was sick. Past state before another past action.
They had been waiting for 2 hours when the train arrived. The waiting happened before she's gone to the store. She went to the store and is still there. She hasn't returned yet.
They've gone to bed. They went to bed and are still in bed, not back up yet.
This is crucial. Been, went and came back. Gone, went and still there.
Let's practice this. Where's Mark? He's gone to lunch. He's at lunch now, not here.
Have you been to the new restaurant? Yes, I've been there twice. Went and came back both times.
See the difference? Gone talks about current location away from here. Been talks about past experience of visiting.
Now let's discuss been in questions, very common in English.
Have you been to Italy? Asking about life experience. Did you visit Italy at any time?
Has she been sick? Asking about recent state. Was she sick recently?
How long have you been waiting? Asking about duration. From when did the waiting start?
Where have you been? Asking about recent location. Where were you before now?
What have you been doing? Asking about recent activity. What activities occupied your time?
Have/has been in questions asks about experiences, states, or actions from past to present.
Let's look at negative forms with been.
I haven't been to Paris. I have no experience of visiting Paris in my life.
She hasn't been sick. She wasn't sick recently. Her health has been good.
We haven't been waiting long. The waiting duration is short, started recently.
He hadn't been there before. Before that moment, he had no experience of that place.
They haven't been studying. They haven't engaged in studying activity recently.
Negatives work the same way, just add not after have, has, had.
Now let's tackle common mistakes learners make with been.
Mistake 1. Confusing been and gone. Wrong, she's been to the store when she's still there. Right, she's gone to the store.
If someone is still at the location, use gone. If they returned, use been.
Mistake 2. Using been with simple past. Wrong, I been there yesterday. Right, I was there yesterday, or I've been there.
Been needs have, has, or had before it. Don't use been alone as the main verb.
Mistake 3. Forgetting been in present perfect continuous. Wrong, I have studying. Right, I have been studying.
Present perfect continuous needs have/has been plus ing. Don't skip been.
Mistake 4. Using been when being is needed. Wrong, I have been rude when you mean you're being rude now. Right, I'm being rude.
Been is for completed or continuing actions from past. Being is for temporary state happening now. Let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios. Hi, where have you been? I've been so busy. I've been working on a big project. How long have you been working on it? I've been working on it for 3 months.
Where have you been? I've been busy. Have been working is continuing action. For 3 months is duration.
Have you ever been to Japan? Yes, I've been there twice. Really? When did you go? I went last year. It had been my dream for years.
Have you been is asking about experience. I've been there is confirming experience with frequency. Had been was my dream before, past perfect.
Sorry I'm late. Have you been waiting long? I've been here for 30 minutes. I'm so sorry. I've been stuck in traffic.
Have you been waiting is asking about duration. I've been here is stating presence duration. I've been stuck is explaining continuous situation.
You look tired. Yes, I've been feeling unwell. Have you been to the doctor? Not yet. I've been too busy.
I've been feeling is continuous state. Have you been to is asking about experience of visiting. I've been too busy is explaining recent state.
These scenarios show how been appears naturally in everyday English conversations.
Now let's discuss time expressions that commonly go with been.
For plus period. I've been here for 3 hours. Shows duration from past to now.
Since plus starting point. She's been sick since Monday. Shows when it started.
Ever in questions. Have you ever been to Spain? Asking about any time in life.
Never in negatives or responses. I've never been there. No experience at any time in life.
Already, yet, just. I've already been there. Have you been there yet? I've just been there.
Recently, lately. I've been busy recently. What have you been doing lately?
These time expressions work naturally with have been or has been.
Let's look at been in reported speech and indirect questions.
Direct, I am busy. Reported, she said she had been busy. The present am becomes past perfect had been.
Direct question, where are you? Reported, he asked where I had been. Present are becomes past perfect had been.
Direct, I have been waiting. Reported, he said he had been waiting. Present perfect becomes past perfect.
When reporting past events, have been or has been often changes to had been.
Now let's explore been in tag questions.
You've been to Paris, haven't you? Positive statement plus negative tag.
She hasn't been here, has she? Negative statement plus positive tag.
They've been waiting, haven't they? Confirming or seeking agreement.
Tag questions with been follow the same pattern as other perfect tenses.
Let's discuss the pronunciation of been. This varies.
American English usually been rhymes with in, very short sound.
British English usually been rhymes with seen, longer sound.
Both are correct. Choose based on your English variety.
In fast speech, have been often sounds like have been or even of been.
Has been sounds like has been or spin in natural speech.
Don't worry too much about perfect pronunciation. Both versions are understood globally.
Here are memory tricks to remember how to use been.
Trick 1. Been needs a helper. Been always needs have, has, or had before it, never alone.
Trick 2. Been equals before now. Been connects something that happened before to now.
Trick 3. Been back, gone, gone. If they're back, use been. If still gone, use gone.
Trick 4. Been plus ing equals continuing. Been plus ing verb shows action continuing from past.
Trick 5. 3 B's. Be, was, been. Remember the 3 forms of the verb be.
Here are practical tips for mastering been.
Tip 1. Practice the 3 main uses first. Have been, experience. Have been plus ing, continuous. Had been, past before past.
Tip 2. Always remember been needs a helper verb. Don't say I've been there, say I've been there.
Tip 3. Learn the been versus gone distinction. Practice with real examples about places you visited.
Tip 4. Listen to native speakers. Notice when they use been in movies, shows, and conversations.
Tip 5. Practice forming questions. Have you been? Where have you been? How long have you been?
Tip 6. Use time expressions with been. For, since, ever, never, recently, lately.
Tip 7. Don't translate directly from your language. English uses been in specific ways that might differ from your language.
Tip 8. Create sentences about your real life using been. Personal examples help memory.
Let's create practice exercises to test understanding.
Fill in with been or gone. Where's Sarah? She's blank to the dentist. Answer, gone. Still there, not back.
Fill in, have you ever blank to London? Answer, been, asking about experience. They would return.
Choose correct form. I blank there yesterday. Answer, was. Simple past, not been alone.
Fill in, I have blank waiting for an hour. Answer, been waiting. Present perfect continuous needs been plus ing.
She blank been working here for 5 years. Answer, has been. Present perfect continuous, she still works here.
Fill in, by the time I arrived, they had already blank. Answer, been or gone depending on context. If they left, gone.
The house has blank sold. Answer, been. Passive voice needs been before past participle.
These exercises help you internalize the correct usage.
Let's look at been in different contexts and registers.
Formal writing. The research has been completed. The results have been published.
Casual speech. I've been thinking about you. Where have you been?
Academic. It has been demonstrated that this has been proven to be effective.
Every day. I've been busy. She's been sick. We've been waiting.
Been works in all contexts, formal and informal, written and spoken.
Let's discuss been with modal verbs, advanced usage.
Must have been, he must have been tired. Strong deduction about the past.
Should have been, I should have been there. Regret about the past.
Could have been, it could have been worse. Possibility about the past.
Would have been, I would have been happy. Hypothetical past.
Structure, modal plus have plus been. This expresses different attitudes about past situations.
Let's do a comprehensive summary of everything we've covered.
Been is the past participle of be, the third form after be, was, were, been.
Main uses, present perfect, have or has been, present perfect continuous, have, has been plus ing, past perfect, had been, past perfect continuous, had been plus ing, and passive voice.
Been versus gone. Been equals went and returned. Gone equals went and still there.
Been always needs a helper, have, has, or had.
Never use been alone as the main verb.
Present perfect continuous structure. Have, has, been plus ing verb. Shows continuation from past to present.
Past perfect. Had been. Shows something before another past event. Past before past.
Passive voice. Have, has, had, been plus past participle. Focus on the action, not the doer.
Common mistakes. Using been alone, confusing been and gone, forgetting been in continuous, wrong form after been.
Time expressions. For, since, ever, never, already, yet, just, recently, lately.
Pronunciation. Been, American, or been, British. Both correct.
Memory tricks. Been needs helper. Been equals before now. Been back, gone, gone.
Before we finish, this is crucial. Please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical grammar lessons every week to help you understand English deeply and speak naturally.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave us a comment with 2 sentences using been, one with present perfect and one with continuous form.
Challenge yourself. Today, notice when you hear been in conversations or media. Think about which use it is.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope been is crystal clear now.
Remember, been is everywhere in English. Mastering it makes your English sound fluent and natural.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.